If you're looking for dogs beds by Equinox, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets Lover Channel presents Dogs Beds by Equinox. Number 1, by Equinox. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Equinox. Number 3. For more details about these Dogs Beds products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Equinox. Find these Dogs Beds by Equinox at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6. Number 7. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Cat In-House. Number 9. Discover more Dogs Beds by Equinox ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.